Hello everyone, myself Professor Mrs. C.S. Nirali from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKV College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, and the course number FCN 357, course title Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis. Today we will see practical 17.4 quality determination of milk and milk products under the exercise number 4, determination of specific gravity, solids not fat and total solids of milk. Under that A, determination of specific gravity and solids not fat content of milk. Objectives of this practical: to determine the specific gravity as well as the solids not fat content of milk, to decide the nature of adulteration of milk. Relevant information: lactometers are used for rapid determination of specific gravity of liquids. This method is based on the law of flotation, which states that when a solid is immersed in a liquid, it is subjected to upward thrust equal to the weight of a liquid displaced by it and acting vertically upwards. Lactometers are variable immersion type hydrometers and calibrated beforehand with a liquid of known specific gravity. There are different types of lactometers generally used. Pivens type lactometer. This is calibrated at 15.5 degrees Celsius or 60 degree Fahrenheit. It gives accurate reading in the temperature ranges of 60 plus or minus 6 degree Fahrenheit, subject to temperature correction factor. The correction is calculated as follows: for every 10 degree Fahrenheit change in temperature, there is corresponding change of 1 in lactometer reading. After correction factors, the reading is known as corrected lactometer reading. ISI lactometer. This is new lactometer recommended by Indian Standard Institution, is calibrated at 27 degrees Celsius. Milk sample is kept at 27 degrees Celsius and a reading of this lactometer is noted. Precautions: the milk to be tested should be 2 to 3 hours old after milking. This will allow air and gases to escape from this sample. Adjust the temperature of milk to 27 degrees Celsius for accurate reading. Sample should be thoroughly mixed by pouring it from the sides of the container. Use standard lactometer, that is Quivens or ISI. Do not allow the lactometer to remain in milk longer and take reading within 1 minute. Lactometer should not touch to the sides of jar or cylinder. Material required: whole milk, skim milk, partially adulterated milk. Apparatus: lactometer, jar, petri dish, dairy, floating thermometer, beakers, measuring cylinder. Procedure: adjust the temperature of milk sample to measuring temperature prescribed for lactometer at 27 degrees Celsius. Mix the sample well, avoiding incorporation of air or foam formation. Pour sufficient milk into the glass or steel cylinder to allow free floating of lactometer. Place the lactometer ISI in the milk and allow it to float till it stops. Record the lactometer reading and temperature of milk at the same time. Take another reading by flapping the top of the lactometer stem, and when it again assumes a constant level, take average of the two readings. Get corrected lactometer reading or value CLR from the standard table for corresponding temperature. Calculate the specific gravity and solids not fat content using the given formula. Observation as well as calculations can be noted down in the table given in this slide. Calculation: specific gravity is equal to CLR by 100 plus 1. Percentage of SNF is equal to CLR by 4 plus 0.25 into fat percent plus 0.44. Corrected lactometer reading is equal to LR plus CF, where CF for Quivens lactometer, CF plus 0.1 into difference in temperature above 60 degree Fahrenheit, CF minus 0.1 into difference in temperature below 60 degree Fahrenheit. Determination of TS content of milk. Observation: to estimate the level of total solid content of milk, to decide the quality of milk on the basis of total solid and SNF. Relevant information: total solids content is the entire residue left after complete evaporation of water from milk. This includes fat, protein, lactose and mineral matter. These solid constituents exist in milk in a mechanical mixture. Total solids can be determined by gravimetric method by a formula. Precautions as per exercise 4I. Material required milk. Apparatus specific gravity bottle. Balance 4 cylinder dish. Hot air oven. Tongs. Desiccators. Glass jar. Lactometer. Dairy floating thermometer. Petri plate. Dish. Hot water bath. Procedure gravimetric method. This is an accurate method for TS determination. Take properly cleaned flat bottomed 50 cm diameter porcelain crucible. Dry it in a hot air oven for 1.5 hours and note the weight of crucible. Add 5 ml of milk sample and weigh it. Put the crucible in hot air oven adjusted at 100 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 hours. Remove the crucible from oven and cool in desiccators and weigh. Again put the crucible from the oven and cooled in desiccators and weigh. Remove the crucible from oven and cooled in desiccators and weigh. This process should be continued or repeated till getting the constant weight or difference in last two weights should not exceed 0.01 gram. The total solids are determined by formula. Total solids percentage is equal to weight of residue by weight of milk sample into 100. By use of formula, determine the fat percentage of milk sample by Gerber's method. Take out the lactometer, ISI reading and temperature of milk and calculate corrected lactometer reading. Place the figures of fat and CLR in the following for calculating total and solids not fat content of milk. Richmond's formula. TS percentage is equal to CLR by 4 plus 1.21 F plus 0.14. SNF percentage is equal to CLR by 4 plus 0.21 F plus 0.14. Observations can be noted down in the table given in this slide. ISA formula. TS percentage is equal to CLR by 4 plus 1.22 F plus 0.72. SNF percentage CLR by 4 plus 0.22 F plus 0.72, where CLR corrected lactometer reading, F fat. Observations can be noted down in the table given below. Thank you very much for your patience listening. These are the different tests which we conduct for milk, various milk samples, so that we can get the proper values for those milks such as buffalo milk, cow milk, goat milk, etc. Thank you for your patience listening.